Yes, good day. You've reached Guyana Air Conditioning. May I help you, please? How are you today? It is a great day. Amen. This company, one great thing about this company is that it can offer you air conditioning service because air conditioning service is a level of comfort that you and I would need in a tropical country like Guyana, South America. So guess what? Leave us your name, number, and time, the time that we can reach you. So our staff member can come in and give you an estimate and save you a few dollars. How about that? Take care. Bye bye.